Birthday na pa ni Mami.
Sinabi ba talaga? One, two, three. No points! Si Mami may points na.
Yay! 1 point! Madaya ako. One, two, three! Yay! Hindi, 0 muna. 1-1 tayo. Mag-shoot na ako eh. Wala yan ako eh. Tingnan mo. Ay. Two points. No, I'm 4. No. A while ago. I know. Yay! Ayun, you get 2 points. My turn. Ay!
Kasi,
Jogging. Jogging.
shoot the ball, ate! Yeah!
1, 2, 3. Yay! It's a 3 points. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! Ay, napagod siya. Guys, punta tayo sa pool ng aming clubhouse dito sa village. Yes, here. Let's go to our clubhouse in our village. So, this is the clubhouse. There. This is the clubhouse. So, kung may mga gatherings like weddings, birthdays, pwede dito guys. Yan. Birthday, weddings, yan. Lahat ng celebrations. Pwede dito sa aming clubhouse. Schedule lang. And then, we have a pool. Private pool. Nakasama din. Gusto mong ipa-schedule kapag meron kang mga celebrations. Yan. So, meron na kayong mga cottages. And then, this is the pool. Ate, careful please. There. So, ayan siya. Ganyan siya kalaki. Yan. Pwede na rin siya. And then, nandito yung mga restroom. Ayan, kapag magbabanlaw na kayo. Diyan yung restroom. Let's check. Ayan. So, pag magbabanlaw, ayan. And then, meron din dito sa kabila. Dito yung for the boys. Ayan, for the men. And this one is for the girls. Ayan. So, ayan yung pool. Ayan siya, guys. Pa-schedule nyo para malinis before the rain. And this is the cottages. Ayan, this is the clubhouse. There. Hi guys, good morning. Today is March 15, 2020. And nag-jogging kami ni ate. Yes, kasi pwede na akong ulit mag-exercise. Bumalik sa gym. Kaso, because of the COVID-19, hindi ako makapunta sa gym. So, dito na lang kami nag-exercise sa clubhouse. Sa buong village na, yun, sa village namin. We're here in Bulacan. So, right now, it's March 15, lockdown na sa Manila. Yes, starts sa etong March 15. So, buti na lang hindi na-lockdown itong Bulacan. Kala ko kasi malalockdown yung Bulacan. So, yun. Let's pray sa buong mundo, sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas kasi lahat na tayo apektado. So, but we have to keep moving and life must go on. So, enjoy natin yung family natin at saka yung friends and ourselves, yung self-love. Especially kailangan natin ng more pagmamahal, support, and understanding, caring sa isa't isa sa mga nangyayari sa atin ngayon. So, ayun, ang sarap talaga mag-exercise. So, it's good for the health. Not only to have a good figure, maging sexy, not only that, but of course, you have to stay fit, eat healthy, balanced diet, and of course, exercise. Okay guys, again, this is Christina, and thank you for watching. Bye! Wala munang goodbye kiss ngayon, flying kiss because of madumi pa yung hands namin. So, kita-kits again later. Bye! Napagod na siya. Ate, you say like this, ate. I'm using your shoes. Baby. This.